Hello.
Hello, sir.
Chetan, you were in Bashushan Nagar?
Yes, sir. Hello, sir.
Okay. Yeah, Javed is also joining. Javed and what about Ambu?
Ambu is not coming, sir.
Okay. Okay. Javed,
Javid, I don't know, sir. Yes.
can you just check with the Vinay or Rajkumar about Javed?
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. 1 minute.
ವಿನಯ್ ಜಾವೇದ್ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರ ಜಾವೇದ್ ಜಾವೇದ್ ಜಾವೇದಿಗೆ ಫೋನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರ ಏನಂತೆ ಬರ್ತೀನಿ ಆನ್ಲೈನಲ್ಲಿ ಬಸ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಇರ್ಬೇಕು ಪಾಪ
ಬರ್ತಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ
ಎಲ್ಲಿದ್ಯಾ ಟ್ರಾಫಿಕ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿದ್ದ ವ್ಯವಸ್ಥೆ ಸರ್ ಬರ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂತಂದ
ಓಕೆ ಓಕೆ ಹಾಂ ಸರ್ ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಓಕೆ ಓಕೆ ಸರ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಹೋದ್ರು
ಸರ್ ಏನಂತ
నేను 2 ನಿಮಿಷದ ಬರ್ತಾನೆ ಸರ್ ಹಲೋ ಸರ್
Yeah.
ಈ
Yeah.
ವಿಲ್ he got some information internet problem sir he will come within 2 minutes
Okay. Okay. Fine. So let us go ahead with our ALV reports. If you observe here, in the previous class, what we have done, we have created a field catalog manually, and we passed the field catalog.
yes
Yeah, this is the program. So this is how we have filled the field catalog, correct?
yes
When you are filling the field catalog, there is no need of particular data dictionary structure help. Previously, in the previous program, we are taking the help of data dictionary structure. But when you are filling the field catalog manually, there is no need of this particular structure, no need of this help. Fine. Now, assume that if your internal table, this internal table has how many fields now? This internal table has some 5 fields, correct? 5 fields. So because this internal table has 5 fields, I have created field catalog for 5 fields manually.
yes
If this internal table has the 200 fields, okay, then what you will do? You will write a field catalog for 200 fields, is it?
sorry program is
So writing the field catalog for 200 fields will take more and more and more time, correct?
yes sir
So for that, there is something called automatic field catalog generation. Now today we are going to discussing about automatic field catalog generation. So this is a manual field catalog generation. You have already seen this is a manual field catalog generation. But if the internal table has a more number of fields, we can't do it. So now
Yes.
we will declare how to do automatic field catalog generation. So to do automatic field catalog generation, you need to declare an internal table like this. See, this is how we declared internal table and work area, correct? So now, whenever you are doing automatic field catalog generation, you need to change the internal table declaration. I'll tell you how to change. So this is a structure, correct? This is a structure. This is the internal table, and this is a work area. Now, what I will say, I'll declare the internal table like this. Data begin of iTab directly. Occurs 0. Instead of type, I'll give like.
Yes, sir.
So no need of this work area for me. See, the thing is, previously we have declared a
End of item.
structure. Which one? Yeah, end of item, correct.
Enough.
End of item. Previously we have declared a structure. Based on the structure we have declared internal table and work area. Now, but this is the direct declaration of internal table.
Internet.
When you add occurs 0 keyword, it means that it has both header and body. That means this is an internal table with header line. This is an internal table with header line. So iTab is the work area, iTab is a body name as well. Both name is iTab only. Okay. So this is one more way of declaring the internal table. This is internal table with header line. Previously we declared a structure, internal table and work area. That is called internal table without header line. So fine. Now I'll save it. And now see, if you see here, S underscore select options S underscore MATNR for work area MATNR. Now what is the work area?
Right.
iTab. Replace. Check it. So here better what you need to do is give the table hyphen field name. Instead of MATNR, you give the table hyphen field name. Instead of data element, I'll give Mara Matner, Mara ERSDA, Mara Arnam, Marcy Works, Marcy hyphen P start. Underscore D is not required. We are giving a table hyphen field name. Now it is correct. Syntax is correct now. After doing this, to come here, perform fill field catalog. So here what is the process we are doing? We are taking each and every field, we are filling this internal table, taking the second field, filling the internal table, taking the third field, filling the internal table, like that, so on and so forth. We are filling the internal table. After filling this internal table, IT field cat, what we are doing? We are passing the IT field cat to the reuse ALV grid display. This is what we are doing. Now, today what we will see, how to create a field catalog automatically without writing all this code, how to fill the field catalog. To fill the field catalog automatically, there is a function module. A function module name is reuse ALV field catalog merge. Reuse ALV field catalog merge. This is the function module by using which you can create a field catalog automatically. So now I'll call this function module. For this function module, if I export the program name, internal table name and the include name, then this function module will give me the field catalog. Once I get the field catalog, I will pass the field catalog to the reuse ALV grid display. Fine. So what I am trying to do now, I will pass the program name. Can you tell me the current program name?
That test here.
Jet test ALV4. And is there any variable which stores the current program name? Yeah. So I'll give this REP ID which stores the current program name. What is the internal table name?
Item.
ITAB. And what is the include name? Include name also program name right now here. Sometimes what will happen? This program will have a include and that include will have a reuse ALV field catalog merge. In that case, you need to give the main program name here and include name here. But right now, both are same. So I will give Sai rapid. So if we give all this reuse ALV field catalog merge will give me the field catalog. So I'll put the table here. Always enable exceptions and messages. Save, check and activate. I'll put a breakpoint here. See, as of now, this field catalog internal table has 0 entries. It was not filled. Okay. Now if I press F6, this is filled up with 5 entries. IT field cat was filling up with 5 entries. What are all those 5 entries? These are the fields: MATNR, ERSDA, ERNUM, Works, PSTART. These are all our fields of the internal table, correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So this function module, what it was doing is, this function module is filling the internal table IT field catalog. Previously, what we are doing, we are manually filling the work area and then appending the work area to the field catalog. Again, manually filling the work area, appending the work area to the field catalog. That's what we have done. But this function module will take care of that. You just need to tell this function module what is the program name, what is the internal table name, what is the include name. It will fill the internal table automatically. So if your internal table ITAB has some 200 fields, the 200 fields also will be filled automatically. Correct? So then give this IT field cat to the reuse ALV field grid display. For reuse ALV grid display, give the IT field catalog, pass this. And this ITAB is, however, having the data which need to be displayed. This is the actual data which we want to display in the output. Click on F8. So this is how you are getting the output. Fine. So this is the way of creating a field catalog automatically. Our previous program is creating the field catalog manually. Got the difference between two? In both the cases, finally our aim is to fill the IT field catalog table. Before going to the reuse ALV grid display function module, you need to fill the IT field catalog table, and after filling the table, you need to pass it to the reuse ALV grid display.
Yes, sir.
Fine. And I have a question here. Why these two things, material and plant, are filled with blue color?
It's the primary key of the tables.
Good. So which table?
MATNR.
This is the key field in MATNR. What is this?
Material is in key field in
Mara table.
Okay.
and the
And the plant is keep it in March table.
Good. Yes. Material is key field in Mara table. Plant is key field in Marcy table. But when we are doing it, manually, is the colors are coming? So I'll open the manual creation program. That is, manual creation program is ALV3. Is it colors are coming here?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No. If I want color, what I need to do? Say for example, for material number I want a color. For plant I want a color. Then what I need to do? What I need to do is go to the field catalog of the material. This is the field catalog of the material, correct? So here what I will do, in the work area, in the field catalog of the material, in the work area there is something called key, K-E-Y, key. I will say key is equal to X for the material, and similarly key is equal to X for the plant. Okay. Now let us see. Blue color is coming, correct? So if blue color need to come, then what is the field you need to use? Key. Key is the field. Key is equal to X. If you give, the blue color will come. Fine. Now I have another question. In this program, when I execute, so it's stopping at reuse ALV, field catalog merge. I'll say F6.
Yes.
IT field cat is filling.
Yes, sir.
So in this, what is the field name? MATNR.
MATNR.
Now I'll go here. See, what is the key for MATNR?
X.
X. Already X was filling here. Similarly, if you take works, what is the key field? Key for this? X. So that is why for these two fields, blue color is coming in the output. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Now my requirement is, I don't want blue color in the output. How you will do?
You need to give exceptions.
I need to give
Exceptions.
exceptions. Where?
In the function model, sir, we are calling that
No,
function.
no. Actually, why blue color is coming?
Because of the key.
Primary keys.
Because of the key, correct?
Yes.
So, key where it was filling in the create field catalog, this function module is filling the key value in this internal table.
Yes.
This function
Yes,
module
sir.
is filling that.
Yes, sir.
Now, I don't want that key is equal to x. I want to remove that key is equal to x.
Yes, sir.
How to do?
iClient never display X.
So now I am going to tell you something, some syntax, okay, to doing this. So let us go. Fine. So now assume that I have an internal table and work area. This is my work area and this is my internal table. Internal table name is iTab, work area name is WA. The field names are name, sorry, name, age and salary. Okay. So here names are there. Raju, Ravi, Samba, Sagar, some names are there. Assume that there are only 5 records in the internal table are there, and age, some age is there, and salary. Fine. So now I have a internal table. Internal table has a data like this. So now what I want to do is, now I want to change this particular person. The Sagar is there, no? For the Sagar, I want to change the salary. Now what is there? 21,000 is there. I want to change it to 25,000. I want to change it to 25,000. How to change? Already in the internal table some content is there. Now I want to change it. How to change? Okay. So whenever you are having this kind of task, what you need to do is you need to write a syntax like this. Read table iTab into work area with key name is equal to Sagar. What I am saying here, read table iTab, that means this internal table, into work area. Among this internal table, put one record into the work area, because work area can hold only one record, correct? So take one record from this internal table and put it into the work area. Which record you need to pick up? When the name is
Okay.
Sagar, that record pick up and put it into the work area. That's what I am saying. So what will happen here? After this step, this record will come and sits in the work area. Okay, fine. And after that, after this step, what I will do?
Work area
Work area hyphen salary is equal to 25,000.
total
So what will happen to this?
work area will update.
Yeah.
Work area will update at some 25,000.
So now this is changed now 25,000. Correct. So now based on the work area, I want to change the internal table. So now for this the syntax is modify itab from work area index psi tab x. So this is the syntax. So what I am saying, modify this internal table based on the work area. What is the index psi tab x?
Index of the internal table.
Okay, index of the internal table, correct. So now, how many records are there? For example, this is the first record, this is the second record, third record, fourth record, fifth record. Okay, now what will happen? Whenever you execute this statement, this particular statement, read table itab into the work area with key name is equal to Sagar. This is which record? Fourth record. So whenever this statement is executed, your psi tab x will be filled with 4 because fourth record is going to the work area.
Okay, sir.
Your psi tab x will be filled with 4. Psi tab x is nothing but the record number.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So now what I am saying, once the fourth record is filled into the work area, change the work area salary to the 25,000. After changing it, modify internal table from work area, correct?
Yes.
So this modify this internal table from the work area. Index 4. Modify only the fourth record salary. Don't modify all records salary.
Okay.
That's what I am specifying. I am specifying that modify the internal table from the work area only the fourth record because psi tab x is 4 in our case. Okay. So got it? What read table syntax will do? Read table itab into the work area with key. If you give like this, then what will happen?
That record will only fetch it to work
That
area.
particular record will come into the
Work area.
work area. Then you can change the work area content. Work area name also you can change, work area age also you can change, salary also you can change. After this step, what you need to do? Modify internal table from the work area, the corresponding index you need to give. Okay. So and there is one more syntax I will tell you. Read table itab into work area index 2. If I give like this, what will happen?
It will take the second record to the work area.
Yeah, it will take the second record to the work area.
Okay.
Fine. Now, if I give something like read table itab into the work area with key age is equal to 21.
The first record will say. Second
How many records are satisfying? How many records are satisfying for this condition?
Two records.
Two records are satisfying. But the first record will go into the work area. The second record will never go. Read table syntax will take only
linear, sir.
one record into the work area, that to the first record which was satisfying the condition.
Sir, it's not a keep field, right?
It's not a key field. Okay, fine. I'm not saying this is a key field. Name should not be a key. Name can also repeat. Internal table has no concept of key field. We are
Okay,
talking about this internal table.
Okay, okay, sir.
Okay? Only database table has the concept of key fields.
Okay.
Here the key, this is the only just keyword, just to tell the internal table which field and what is the value. Okay?
Okay, sir.
So read table I type into the work area with key age equal to 21 means the first record will go to the work area. So what is the psi tabix in that case?
One.
1 is the psi tabix, correct. So now it is always recommended to clear the work area before reading. So what we are doing? We are reading the table I tab into the work area, correct? So first clear the previous content of the work area for good results. That means otherwise sometimes what will happen? Some overlapping will happen and previous result will be there. Now this result and previous result will be added. So in order to avoid that, clear the work area. This is a good, that means a good way of doing coding. And then once you do the read statement, always check psi sub rc. You say if psi sub rc is equal to 0. Okay, then do the remaining steps. Okay, so this is also another good way of doing coding. Okay, so what you need to do? Clear the work area before read statement. Put psi sub rc after read statement. Remember this. Okay. Now let us go to the program. Now here, after this step, our internal table is filling with the key field as X. Now I want to remove that key field. I want to replace the key field as X with key field with space. What to do? In the debugging mode, I will show you once again the internal table. Okay. Now if you go to the internal table, see internal table has, what is the field name of this particular internal table field? Field name, correct?
Yes, sir.
So in our case, we have taken name as salary, but here this is a field name, FIELD
Okay.
and we want to change key, correct? So now what I will say, in the read statement, I will say clear work area, read table I tab into the work area with the key
name.
with key FIELD field name is equal to
MATNR.
MATNR. So that will be there in a work area. So now if size of is equal to 0, work area hyphen
Key.
key is equal to fill with space. Modify itab from work area index itab x and if done. So what happen? After this what will happen? For MATNR the key field X will be removed. The same thing you need to do for works also.
Weeks.
Correct? Yeah. Plant also you need to do the same. So I'll write the same code. I'll put the code here. But here what is our internal table name? IT field cat. What is the work area name?
Is also artificial.
WA field cat. Correct? Repeat the same for plant. Okay, now save it, check it, activate and execute. So after this step, 5 records are coming into the internal table. After this step, what will happen? Field name is equal to MATNR. After this step, what should happen? Work area should be filled with the record where field name is material number. Let us see whether work area is filling or not. Work area is filling, correct? Work area column position is 1, field name is MATNR, table name is itab, and key field is equal to X. What we are doing? Key field equal to space.
Yes, sir.
In the next step, key field equal to space. So now key field was changed in the work area. In the next step, what we are saying? Modify IT field catalog from work area field catalog. Index itab x. So we want to modify the internal table. So after this step, what should happen? This X should go away. When I press F5, this X should go away. It should not be there. It was disappeared. Correct? Similarly, for the second record also. Read table itab into the work area where field name is works. Size of bars is 0. Put the field cat key equal to space. Modify it. So color was gone.
Yes.
Okay. So this is how you can change the field catalog, automatically generated field catalog properties. Now here we have only changed the key is equal to X, but you can also change some other things also inside the internal table if you want. Okay. Then so now you know how to create a field catalog automatically, how to create a field catalog manually. Yeah. Now the next report, Next report is interactive report. In ALV, interactive report. You know what is the classical report? What is the interactive report?
Yes, sir.
So interactive report means when you double click on particular thing, it
Give
should
this
display the
second, please.
details. Same thing we want here in ALV. So this is your classical report. Assume that this is a classical report. Okay. When you are executing this classical report, you are getting some details. Okay, material number, created by who and planned, something. Say for example, when I click on the material, when I double click on the material, what I want is, I want the description of the particular material. In all languages, I want the description of the material. If I double click on this, I want another ALV report where it should show me the description of the material. Which table stores the description of the material? There is a table MAKT. MAKT is a table which stores the description of the material. For example, I give 38 here. In MATNR, I will give 38. Then what it should display? It should display all this in my output, ALV output. So in German language, this is the description. In English language, this is the description. Okay, like that. There are different languages. I want all these in my output. Fine. So what to do here? In the reuse ALV grid display, there is something called I_callback program. This one. Okay. So give here Sci Rapid. What is this meaning? I_callback program is Sci Rapid.
Program returning program name.
Yeah, that means whenever you double click on the output, please return to current program. Okay, then the next one. Here there is something called I_callback user command. I_callback user command. Here you can give any name. I will give FIRST first. Otherwise I will give INT interactive report. I will give INT_report. You can give anything. So here you can give anything. So I am giving here. So now whatever you give here with this, you need to create a perform. So you need to say form whatever you have given there, that one, using R_ucom type Sci ucom R_cell type sys_cell field. These two you need to remember. There is no other way. You need to remember R_ucom type Sci ucom, R_cell field type sys_cell field. You need to remember this end form. I'll put a breakpoint here. I'll activate and execute. So whenever I click on this particular material, say for example I'll click on material number 68, I'll double click on this. So when I double click, it was going to the breakpoint where we have put, see, we just now we have written this, correct? Form int report using rucom rcell breakpoint I have given. So in this breakpoint it was stopping. Now let us see what is there in rucom. In rucom ampersand IC1 is there. This is a function code for double clicking. Whenever you double click, this is a function code. Now what is the r underscore cell? R underscore cell is a structure. Now let us go inside the structure. So R underscore cell has something value. Value is 68. That means you clicked on 68. You clicked on 68. Okay, and the next step is you clicked on the field name. Whatever the field name you have clicked on material number. You have not clicked on plant. You have not clicked on the created by person. You clicked on a material number, and the value is 68. Fine. So now, because I know the field name, I know the value, I will write the code here. Data, some L tab, type, table of MAKT, here I will say select star from MAKT into table, some L tab, where MATNR is equal to, tell me, R underscore cell hyphen value. Correct?
Yes.
After this, I'll say go to the pattern, reuse ALV grid display. Once again, I'll call the reuse ALV grid display. Exporting the database I underscore structure name. I'll give the internal table structure name is, what is the structure name for this L tab? MAKT. So I'll give this MAKT, and this out tab I'll give L tab. Enable exceptions and message. Now save it, check it and activate. Now I'm clicking on 68, or I'll click on 59. When I click on 59, cursor is going to the form. So R underscore cell value is 59. Based on the 59, I want to get the values from MAKT table. Let us see it will come or not. It's not coming. Why it was not coming? Go to the database table, Give here 59. The values are there, but there in our report the values are not coming. Why? Any idea? The problem is here MATNR has 0000059, but we are fetching based on only 59. Okay. So now what you need to do? You need to add the 000s. 6. MATNR has how much length? Total length of the MATNR is 18 digits. In the 18, 16 0 should be there, and after that
Last
two digits 59 should be there. Then only it will fetch the value. How to do that? So what you need to do? Declare a variable data ALV MAT of length 18, type n. What is n? Numeric. Okay. So now what I will do? LV underscore mat is equal to this R cell value. I am putting a 59 into this, so it will become 0000059. That 0059 I will put here. So now let us see. So I am clicking on some 88 now. See, 88 related descriptions are coming in all the languages. Okay. I'll go back. I'll click on 59. 59 related languages are coming in a interactive report. So like that, whatever the material number you double click, that particular material related descriptions are coming in a interactive report. Okay.
Yes.
So this is how you need to create one interactive report. You need to create an interactive reports using ALVs. Fine. So we'll stop here for today. In the next class, we will discuss about the events of the ALV reports. So we need to discuss the events.
Okay.
So maybe it will take 1 or 2 days. Events plus, then we also need to discuss about the how to do sum in the ALV reports. Then we'll go for the next topic, BDCs. Most probably BDCs will go on this Friday maybe.
Okay.
So until Friday we'll be in the ALV reports. Okay. Fine. Practice the ALV reports as well.
Okay.
Every day practice it. Otherwise, at the end you will get the confusion. Okay. Because tomorrow when I start event will also involve some other function modules. Okay. You will get confusion.
Yes.
Which function module is doing what. So try to practice till today whatever we learned, and then we'll go for the events. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Fine. See you then. Bye.
Bye.
So tomorrow will be like
No, day after tomorrow.